Hey guys, you in the market for some suitcases? Got some in to check out. Good folks over at Coolife is sponsoring this video. I want to thank them for sending these over for me to check out. I'm going to have to lay this box down. This is a 3-pack set. Looks like they all go into one. It's got a pretty purple material covering it. Check that out. Now if you're thinking purple is not your color, don't worry. It comes in other colors as well. Look how easy that rolls, man. I tell you what, whoa, we're gonna roll right off the desk is what's gonna happen. It is a waterproof material. You don't have to worry about it. If it's raining outside, not a big deal. And if it starts raining, you don't have to worry about it because it will just bead down and just fall right off of there. Easy to clean. You're going to notice right here it has a little name tag holder right there. Conveniently tucked away. Over on the side you have the protectors. So if you lay it on the side, kind of gives it a little cushion there. And it does have a handle right here. So if you are going to lay it on the side, you can carry it like that and set it down. Not a problem at all. It does have the very easy to unzip zippers in it. Have a compartment right here to store, you know, if you have wet shoes, sandy shoes, whatever, you can put them in right here. It goes right down to about right here. You don't have to get the sand or the wetness on your dry, clean clothes. There's another compartment here. This is a waterproof liner in here as well. Very deep, goes all the way to the bottom. Over on this side, you have your locking zippers. Just push the little button right here on the bottom, and it will pop open. You can set your different combination right here, whatever you would like. It's defaulted to zeros. There you go. That will unzip all the way around. And that will open up to some more storage areas. You have your zippers here. You'll be able to see in here with the mesh material here. You got both sides. There you go. And that's right, there's more. Check that out. Travel bags inside of travel bags. Makes it for easy storage. Has a large opening area right here. You can put all your clothes. Has adjustable strap belts in here. Quick release. You can adjust those as however you need them. Go all the way up there, buckle it up. Goes back in there real easily. Lots of storage right here. And just to show you, this thing is not made cheaply. Has a liner in here and the bars right here, the frame, and it's a carrying handle. I'll show you that in just a moment. Lots of room for your clothes and whatnot, and it's built really well. Now I wanted to unzip this all the way and kind of show you. Here's your wheels, and if you can see right up in here, it is bolted on there. It's not just like glued onto the case. It's actually physically bolted on. Gives it the extra strength. Now here's the underside screw right there. That's what's bolted inside there. Really nice. All the wheels will go all the way around, 360 degrees. Smooth rolling rubber, not the hard plastic. You know, I mentioned the other ones being glued on. I really don't know how other suitcases are made. All I know is I have seen suitcases where the wheels just fell off. And these are not going to fall off. These are bolted onto the frame. Now guys, this is a tall suitcase. It is almost waist height on me. Now I was doing this to show you this handle. Very smooth. Look at that. Sturdy handle to carry that with. Easy rolling. 2 heights there. So you got the first one right there. Oh, it's multiple heights. That's cool. It's got 3 different heights, all the way up there, and then there. And then of course it's closed. And like I mentioned, it's got that lock right there. Push it in, locks right into place. There you go. You ain't got to worry about nobody unzipping that on you. Look how easy that spins around. Better not run over my foot. Yeah, that's going from the hardwood floor up on the carpet. See how easy that goes? Very impressive. Nice. Let's take a look at the other one. Basically the same exact thing, only the smaller size. Look at that. Isn't that impressive? Doesn't take much to impress me, but man, I tell you what, that does. Has the same locks on it right here. Same carrying handle, minus the styrofoam. There you go. You carry it like that. Got the little guards on this side. Same handle here. Same name tag holder right there. Basically exactly the same thing, just smaller. What's that? Another one. Kind of makes me think of that clown car at the rodeos when the clowns just keep coming out of the little bitty car. Only this is not a little bitty suitcase, but you know what I'm saying. These are all exactly the same. You just have the small, medium, and then of course the large over here on the side. Has the same straps in here, just like the other one. Identical, just smaller. Kind of curious if the smallest one is identical as well. It's got the locks on it too. Look at that. Same thing, only smaller. This is a nice set, guys. I really like this. There you go, all three sizes. You got a weekender right here for the short weekend trips. You got one right here for a week-long trip. This right here is about a month's worth. For most people, that is a lot. Ladies, you might be thinking that's just enough for me, but there you go. You can have all three. Now you can put up to like 40 pounds in this big one right here. I'm fixing to pack it up and load it up. You'll stick around. I tell you what, guys, it is loaded down. It is heavy, but it doesn't affect how easily it rolls. Look at that. Not a problem at all. Roll it right on along. Tell you what, guys, I got a lot in here, including my blanket that I travel with. Think I'm joking? Got my shoes over here. You can see those. My shower shoes. But look at this. I'm not joking. You want to count them? These are shorts. 1, 2, 3. Oop. 4, 5. Got socks. We won't even count them. A bunch, as you can see. Underclothes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shirts. These are pants. They're regular blue jeans. I do have some thicker ones in here too. That's 1, 2. There's the thick ones. 3, 4. Some more thick ones. What was that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair of jeans. And how many ever shirts I said? A big, thick, heavy blanket here. I like carrying that with me. Now, shoot, I tell you what, this all might go in this one. Look at that. It'll all go in that one with ease. Look at that. Not a problem at all. That is a lot of room, guys. And then we still got the small one. Oh, we forgot the shoes, didn't we? Well, let's make it legit here. Got the shower shoes. Actually, we can stick these up here because they're probably going to be wet after I take a shower. Let's stick them right there. Zip that back up. There you go. That's a lot of clothes right there. When you get ready to load up, you can load them right up and you'll be ready to go. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, if you're looking for some nice luggage, you might want to check these out. Remember, you can get them in different colors as well. It has the TSA locks, holds more than 40 pounds without wobbling like a lot of suitcases do. That strong frame in it, the easy roll wheels, extending handles. Man, I tell you what, you can't beat it. I like them. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. Hey, if you want to check these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. You might want to check this playlist out right over here too. Might be something over there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching and happy travels.